Hi there, welcome back to the channel. This is King Joe of Wall Street, and I will be showing you the setup I took just now on GBPUSD, which I intend to play out within the week and next week fully. And then I'm also going to be showing you where the market is going to head to based on my analysis after the place is going to head to by next weekend. So this video is going to be a combination of smart money concepts and chart patterns in the same chart. So just pay close attention to what I'm going to be doing in this video, because it's going to help you a lot in your next analysis, right? Thank you for coming to the channel. Let's hop into the video.
This is GBPUSD charts, and today is the 29th of August 2024. This is 12:53 a.m. so I'm recording this very early in the morning. I haven't gone to bed since last night. So first of all, this is a 4-hour time frame, and looking at this chart from here, price respected this channel, and one of the reasons why I like GBPUSD is that it normally respects trend lines easily. Like if you're a trend line trader and you're someone that is very used to trading trend lines, I mean, GBPUSD is where you can execute your skills and try your analysis. Like you can really like discover the power of your trading if you are a pattern trader. So after this consolidation, taking a trade probably from this break, but we can see that the markets did a false breakout right here, went to the upside. All the people that bought here thinking a breakout and retest have happened will automatically be taken out before the main move of the market. So what you should notice is that whenever liquidity has been taken out intentionally, because this is what the smart money do, whenever liquidity has been taken out intentionally, price is now going to continue obeying that confluence that you're seeing. So after this, the buying was aggressive, very aggressive from this point, and this was around 2nd July till this point, 17th July, 2 weeks straight running. And then after this point, we see that a few days later, price began to respect this trend line, and the liquidity on this trend line was taken out around this area. And after that liquidity, it was obvious that this downtrend was over. Another reason for this downtrend is this pattern here. This is obviously a W, like a double bottom. And after this, always look out for when you are trading, like every single time. Make sure you are not just trading out of context. Always look out for this. And after this, up to this side. And right now, at this point where the market is, we are beginning to see a new setup that has a lot of liquidity. Whenever price gets to that trend line, you sell. Especially after price has respected. Just when price came here, it was rejected and was also rejected here before this breakout. But before you take the rejection of the price, always make sure you wait for the candle to close either above or below it, and then make sure your stop losses are tight, and you can always wait for the entries and wait for confirmation entries from your candles. So after this buy to this point, we are seeing that price is beginning to create something like a head and shoulder pattern, because right back here moved up again. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and then on the same spot, price is beginning to create a right shoulder. And if this right shoulder is fully formed, I can assure you, price is going to sell down, especially to around 1.27635. So that's how long the price will go. But in case there is a signal of reversal, you can also going to take a long time. When it starts, it's going to be a trade of about 1 or 2 weeks, because this head and shoulder pattern always occurs at the end of an uptrend. You can see from here to this point, the market has been bullish, and then this pattern is coming out. Also, you can also find different confluences that will support the downtrend. So there are also many other ways to analyze this chart, but at this point, I immediately went to my trading accounts and bought, right? And then I set my take profit around this level where the second shoulder is, and then I enter the sell from right here, sell limit actually, because the market has not reached here. I place my sell limit here and then my stop loss just above this high. And then once the market begins to move down, I also shift my stop loss into break even and secure some of the positions. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you on your screen the trade I'm on currently from this setup I'm showing you right here. And obviously we're in profits, as you can see, profit of $2.20, and this trade was taken this night, so it's not big profit at the moment. And the reason is because there is no current liquidity in by 9:30 a.m. thereabouts Nigerian time. So thank you for watching this video. I just saw this, so I decided to just record something ASAP and send to my YouTube channel. So if you like this content, please hit the subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything. Like this video also, so that more people can get to see this setup even before it plays out completely, right?
So guys, this is actually the next morning, 9:29 a.m. and our trade is currently in profit. As you can see, the first one has hit take profit of $26, and then after that our sell limit was activated and the market reversed on the spot and also created our second shoulder of the head and shoulder pattern. So guys, tell me, what do you think about this? And this is an obvious trend that the market is going to continue selling till, and apart from that, CPI news comes out this afternoon, so we are expecting more push to the downside. Guys, knowledge is power. Seriously, knowledge is power. If you're into the forex space, please try your best. If you're a beginner, leave the chart and go and study.
So guys, as you can see, the trade activated from this point of the second shoulder and has sold down to the neckline and broke the neckline. Yeah, so the reason why this setup will not play out fast because this is on a 4-hour time frame, so we should be expecting this to be down here in the next few days, probably even by next week, because of this head and shoulders that is forming. Yeah, so this is the importance of learning and understanding market structure and movement.
Hi guys, thank you for watching to the end. Let me know what you think about my analysis in the comment section, and also if you're watching this video after this trade has played out, please tell us in the comment if this trade played out correctly or if there was a mix-up somewhere or something, right? I remain King Joe of Wall Street, and I'd love to see you next time on this channel. Kindly hit the subscribe button and like for more of this content. Let's go.
They asking about me and Jesus. Huh? Me and Jesus. Me and Jesus like the